container, EU trades many ships, about 6,700 are containers out of 75,000. That's approx 9%. The world fleet is a container. Therefore, 50%, let's say, approx, there are perfect numbers sailing somewhere, but let's say 50% is Spain appendix. Yes, it is a strategic country. Here, Bilbao, we are at the center of the meeting point, the maritime community, yeah, and therefore it will continue perpetually, yeah, unless there is geographic changes. So 50% of world commerce is America and Europe, and the other 50% is America and Asia and intra-Asia. But let's focus here the European container fleet. We're talking about if 6,700 is the planet Earth containers, okay, some are going to the moon and going to Mars to find out more markets. At the moment they found nothing, and so we have to focus here. European container trade, let's say 50% is 3,350, exactly 3,350, that's a nice number. Why not employ European crew? Because we cannot mix them with Morocco and Algerian, very good Maghreb trade, which is growing. The economies of the Maghreb are going to grow. Why? Because the young population is about 80-70% below 25 years of age. That means that the economies are going to boost. Number one, no one can move away Maghreb from Europe. It's very close. So why not think about Candina, for example, Malta and Madeira? Do they endorse Morocco and Algiers? Do they? Do, for example, Cyprus endorse Cuba? Can Candina supply mixed cabotage host conditions, 50% minimum wages, Spanish and so on? Of course. And can we invest the local talent, having European cadets going on the way up? Everybody within Europe is giving these excuses. I don't have this European crew, I'm having this Asian, Indian full crew because there is no. No. You have a big issue now. You need to study this because there is a lot of Spanish cadets, 300, looking for a job, and so same numbers we could really calculate Deutsch, Belgium, and so on. Therefore, also we have a Spanish flag, hablas español. Yes, a lot of people think about the English language. Oh yeah, well, why don't we complicate things more or simplify? Spanish flag, Spanish language. How many ships, containers? 100 could we today? Yes, why? Because we are going to make this regulation, 500,000 new Spanish for the European seafaring community. So why not contact Candina, dear container ship owner? Many are like huge companies, and perhaps we can do 100 Spanish flagships, and it's only 80 now, so it's the right moment to invest when no one really is interested. And so same thing, European flags, we can choose which ones, Madeira, Malta. I really hinted Cyprus, which is very interesting, mixed with a lot of Maghreb countries, have a huge saving in a transport cost, but also most important of all, invest local talent. So these Moroccan, Algerians and the Europeans will be chief engineers, fleet managers, managing directors, CEOs, and we need the talent to stay here, not in Asia. Thank you, bye.